to our channel Science and Knowledge. So finally, you can buy the Samsung Galaxy S24 before it's released. The new prices are mentioned now. Also, the network has revealed new promotion data for the new smartphone. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. The Samsung Galaxy S24 line will soon be introduced through the Galaxy Unpacked event in the United States on January 17. Here are not only the specifications and various AI features included, but also the price and availability. Quoted from Mashable, the Samsung Galaxy S24 line is rumored to be immediately available for pre-order shortly after the launch. This is in accordance with the tradition of previous years. Meanwhile, users can receive the product at the end of this month. Availability on the market is also predicted to be faster. However, before the official launch, retailers seemed impatient to sell the product. A screenshot has been circulating showing that the Samsung Galaxy S24 lineup can now be purchased. The screenshot was shared by a tipster Roland Kant, but has now been deleted. Mexican retailer has released detailed prices and information regarding the Samsung Galaxy S24 lineup. PhoneArena reports that the price announced by a Mexican retailer offers the regular version of the Samsung Galaxy S24 with 128GB and 256GB memory variants. Each is respectively priced at Mexican $16,499, equal to $972 and Mexican $17,999, equal to $1,060. Not only that, promotional material for the Samsung Galaxy S24 showing the complete specifications of the series has also been leaked on social media. Tipster Amal Krishna shared a screenshot showing a comparison of specifications between the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus and Galaxy S24 Ultra models. The Galaxy S24 screen measures 6.2 inches, FHD Plus flat, 2600 nits peak brightness. The Galaxy S24 Plus measures 6.7 inches QHD Plus flat display, 2600 nits peak brightness, and the Galaxy S24 Ultra has 6.8 inches QHD Plus flat, 2600 nits peak brightness display. The main camera resolution is 50 megapixel for the regular and Plus versions and 200 megapixel for the Ultra model. As leaks suggested, the Ultra variant uses titanium like the iPhone 15 Pro, but the regular and Plus still use aluminum armor. Then regarding the battery, the super fast charging 2.0 feature on the Samsung Galaxy S24 lineup can charge the battery 50% in 30 minutes for the regular variant. The Plus and Ultra models can be 65% charged in 30 minutes according to the leak. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.